Hi, and in this tutorial we're going to bid in a Japanese auction. So the way the Japanese auction works is that you are presented with a price for each lot, and you can decide whether or not to accept that price level. If you decline the price level, you'll be out of that lot, and if it's the final lot that you're bidding within for that auction, then you'll be out of the auction as well. If you are still carrying on and you accept the lot level, then after a certain period of time, say 1 minute, 2 minutes, so on, then a new round will open at a new price level, and you can decide to accept or decline that new price level. And it continues in such a fashion until you have declared yourself out of everything. So the auction has just begun, so the time until the next round is 50 seconds there on the clock. We have our two lots here. So we haven't placed any bids as yet, and you can see we're simply presented with the option to either accept or decline a particular lot. So in this case we might accept the price of £150, and we'll accept the price of £1,000 for the next lot, and then we have about 30 seconds until the next bid change. You can see the rules of the auction over on the overview. So here you can see that it's a Japanese auction with 1 minute between each round, and each round is going to change by 5% of the qualification price. So if we just pop back to the auction, so the new bid round is going to start in just under 5 seconds. And then the process is repeated. So it's very straightforward, and it continues to do so until you decline everything. So in this case, last bid was £1,000. We're now presented with the bid of £950, but I may decline that round. However, I may wish to stay in for the other lot, and so on. And then once all bids are in and you've finished, then the auction will close. During the auction, as before, you can place any bids. I have a question, and that goes to your host in private, and they can choose to reply to you in private. And you have your live auction feed up here where you can see some of the communications to and from the host. And it's as simple as that.